Hello audience, welcome to new another video. Today I gonna show you how to fix your account maybe restrictions on problem. Fixed it. Okay, let's start. Follow my all step. At first, open your Play Store and search WhatsApp message. WhatsApp LT, install and open, and your unofficial chat open. Now click three dot icon. Now click settings. Now scroll down. Now click help and feedback. Now click help center. Now click contact us. Now start chat. Officially support account WhatsApp support. Now your problem type. Now your problem. My problem restriction problem. Now send. By doing process you can successfully your problem solved. Thank you for my watching.